Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about this doorbell, which is from Blink. It comes across as a good quality product. It works very efficiently, but it has one fault which you can't overlook, which is the casing which attaches this bracket, which attaches to your actual door, and then the actual facing attaches onto this has a wobble. So when it's clipped in, like so, you will find that if you attach it like the instructions say onto the wall, you get this wobble there, and you can just feel it just rattling back and forward, side to side. It's not a nice feeling, and it just feels like the doorbell is poor quality made. So it's just a rattle across the base plate. The first thought I had was that it was a screw at the back of the base plate opening it up, and you probably found this yourself. But when I've taken out all the screws out and just connected the base plate, just like I did there, you still get the wobble. So I'm going to use this just to pop this open. And incidentally, this is a little metal plate that I use to conceal this, the clip at the bottom, just so somebody doesn't disconnect my bell and take it. So I just put that across. That's another layer of security. And I'm going to show you where the problem arises. Now, a lot of people have said use silicone to stop the rock, but here we go. I've just used these little rubber bands which you get from the post office. They always drop them around if they've got a big bunch of parcels through your door. And I've cut it in two, and I'm just laying it across here. Now I'm laying it across the sides of this because effectively this is what's going to stop the wobble. As I said, silicone can be used, but it tends to go everywhere, and also it needs to be redone every time you change the batteries. For this method, it doesn't need to get done. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just laying out the little strips there, and then I'll test it with the casing. And if it's not wobbling anymore, then what I will do is get some super glue, add it onto this casing just over there. Make sure you're staying clear of the edges, and once you've super glued it on, reconnect the battery to the back plate, just like that. It just clips in. Now with the rubber bands, it'll take a little bit more effort to clip it in, but it will clip in. Just poke your fingers, pop those little contacts down. They will need to go down. You've got a key for that. And there you go. That's the wobble gone. No wobble anymore, and the product feels like a much better made product than what it was. As for the doorbell itself, it works absolutely brilliantly. I'm very delighted with it. As I said, the only problem was the quality of that wobble. I couldn't have that going on. And the other thing is also the ability to actually just take this apart and off the door is really quick. So I put another layer of security. I use a little metal plate that you saw earlier at the bottom where the clip is, and it just covers up. So it will stop an opportunist thief coming along with without a screwdriver from taking your doorbell. Listen, I really hope this has been useful for you. Do take a look at my Dyson, how to clean any vacuum cleaner to bring it back to peak performance using compressed air gun. It's on there for the Dyson, and it's also for any other vacuum cleaner. But do have a look at the videos on my other channel. I think you will have fun looking at them. Take care, and do subscribe.